create a platform, AskWebDesigners.com, which is an online matching bureau.
None of our competitors offers this kind of solution to its customers.
A report that got out that 1,762
Morsify portable hotspot rental device with a secure and efficient internet connection everywhere they go.
We're happy because we just had our presentation for the business strategy and the finance model in front of the two professors, and it went really well, and we're just celebrating because we're excited about what's happening.
I'm the failure guy at Babson College. I've been teaching failure. Failure is my specialty. So I teach a course called Foundation of Management and Entrepreneurship, which is a flagship course at the undergraduate level. So this is founding, managing, running a business within their first year. It's a flagship course experience.
The fact that people who blame themselves for the failure tend to do better at the first few steps, first few failures, and then turn to go bad. And people who actually blame firstly everything else, the curve is like this. So after the fourth failure, they become better and become more aware of what is really happening and improve themselves.
Това, което правим в момента е speed dating с някои предприемачи, които са undergraduate тук в Babson College. И това, което обсъждаме в момента с тях, са идеите, които те са развили, как точно се борят с нещата, които трябва да преодолеят като препятствия, как да предоставят своя продукт, как да развият своя маркетинг и така нататък. И хубавото, което те ни дават като съвети, е как да продължим ние с основаване на партньорство с компании, с които искаме да работим, как да превъзмогнем нещата, които ни пречат в момента да продължим напред и какви въпроси по-точно да задаваме и какво да търсим, за да развием нашата идея на там, на където искаме да отидем.